Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but smart creators are switching to something better, Perplexity Comet. Because it's not just smarter, it actually pays you up to $15 per referral. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made over $900 using this trick, step by step. I've been testing Perplexity's affiliate program for a few weeks now, and yes, it's 100% real. No shady links, no waiting months for payouts. It's a legit way to earn just by sharing a browser that people already love using. So what is Perplexity Comet? Think of it like ChatGPT but with superpowers. It's a full browser powered by AI. You can still ask questions directly, but now you can also search, summarize pages, and get real-time results, all in one place. It's fast, it's clean, and it feels like the future of browsing. But here's the crazy part. They're paying $15 for every user you refer. Yes, you heard that right. $15 for someone simply downloading and using the Comet browser. But this offer is limited time only. If you're outside the US, you'll need a VPN to access the offer. I recommend Urban VPN. It's free, has residential proxies, and it's safe. Go to Google, search Urban VPN, click the first link, and hit free download. Install it, open it, and connect to a US server. Here's where most people go wrong, so pay attention. Use the link in my description or on screen. It's the official invite link. Click Claim Invitation and sign up using an email that's not already linked to Perplexity. Verify the OTP and your Comet download will start automatically. Or you can click Download Comet manually. Once downloaded, open the file and install the browser. Click Get Started, then log in with the account you just created. To activate your account, search for at least 3 queries. Any topic works. Your account is fully active. Now here's where the money part kicks in. Open a new tab in Comet and you'll see a banner that says Get $15 for each friend you refer. Click it, scroll down, and hit View Payout on Dub. Create your Dub account. That's your referral dashboard. Connect your Stripe account for payouts. Now, every time someone downloads Comet through your link, you earn $15. It's that simple. This is one of the easiest affiliate programs right now. No content creation, no selling, no paid ads, just share a link and earn it. And because it's new, the competition is super low. Early adopters are already making hundreds just like I did. So here's what to do next. Follow the exact steps in this video. Then send this video to your referrals. It'll walk them through the process for you. When they sign up through your link, you get paid. Subscribe if you want more AI tools, affiliate programs, and automation hacks like this one. Work smarter, not harder, and I'll see you in the